Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Omnisend Marketing Automation Review My Usage Experience. Omnisend Marketing Automation Review My Usage Experience offers email marketing and SMS automation for e-commerce businesses. It helps businesses create automated marketing campaigns, manage email lists, and track campaign performance. Key features include email templates, segmentation tools, and analytics dashboards. Their website provides details on pricing and plans. Omnisend positions itself as a user-friendly platform with transparent pricing, offering various plans to suit different business sizes. They emphasize ease of use and integration with popular e-commerce platforms. Availability is worldwide, and you can check specific details on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Omnisend. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well guided, and I had my first automated email campaign set up within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard is clean and easy to understand, even for someone like me who's not a coding whiz. I particularly enjoyed using their pre-built email templates. They saved me a ton of time. I tested their SMS marketing features, and the integration with my Shopify store worked seamlessly. The campaign performance reporting was quite detailed, allowing me to easily track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. I had a quick question about setting up a specific segmentation rule, and their support responded within a day via email. A pro was definitely the ease of A/B testing. It allowed me to optimize my campaigns quickly. One minor drawback was the slightly steep learning curve for their advanced automation workflows. It took me a little while to get used to all the conditional logic, but once I grasped it, it was incredibly powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Omnisend. It's a robust and effective platform that delivers on its promises. That's my overview of Omnisend Marketing Automation Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.